Southwest Florida. The team that's first, fair, everywhere. This is Wink News at 3.
Fighting with your homeowner's insurance company over your Hurricane Ian damages has become a shared experience among Southwest Floridians. Welcome back. I'm Russ McCaskey.
And I'm Nicole Gabe. Now one woman worries that the never-ending struggle to get her home and animal sanctuary back together will force her to close her doors. Wink News consumer reporter Andrea Shepard explains her battle to keep her home and her animals safe.
I didn't want them to go to slaughter. They are so sweet.
Iris Beaugrand loves her animals, all 80 of them at Fandango Sanctuary in Englewood.
Everybody who doesn't find a good home comes here. All kinds of farm animals who were supposed to go to slaughterhouse or didn't find a good home.
That's donkeys, cows, horses, a wild boar, and even retired chickens.
And I take in the Charlotte County mosquito control chickens and now just enjoy the retirement.
The nonprofit allows nursing homes, veteran groups, and organizations that help people with special needs come, relax, and enjoy the animals. But groups have to wait to come back to the property, and the sanctuary will stay at 80 animals for now.
I get like 3 calls a week, people asking me to help with their animals to find homes or to take them in, and I can't because I don't have the shelters. A lot of shelters are destroyed. So in the moment, I really have to send everybody away.
Hurricane Ian severely damaged the sanctuary and Beaugrand's home on the 5-acre property.
I lost 150 trees. So there were trees everywhere. I lost a lot of shelters, were totally destroyed. My barn, the siding, everything is bad. The roof was leaking, everything, but somehow all the big animals survived.
And everything is still damaged because she hasn't been able to cash a single check from her insurance company.
It's very stressful, very depressing, because you think you have insurance. I paid always on time. I was supposed to have a very good insurance. So I thought, okay, if something really big happens, I'm going to be okay. And then something really big happened, and I'm not okay, not at all.
Beaugrand had United Property and Casualty Insurance, or UPC. She filed her claim the day after the storm and thought it would be a smooth process. A couple days later, she says a field adjuster came out, inspected the damages, and did a report.
They sent me several checks for altogether $40,000, but they made it out to the wrong mortgage company, so I wasn't able to cash them. Then I contacted them and asked if they can reissue. They said sure they would. They never did, and then they went under.
UPC went insolvent in February, and now the Florida Insurance Guarantee Association, or FIGA, is responsible for paying out those open Ian claims, extending the insurance process for many, including Beaugrand. She's had to borrow money from friends to fix her roof and get by.
Then I'm even in more trouble. So I got at least that. I got all my savings, my retirement money I used to get rid of the trees and fix the fences temporarily. It's like wherever I turn, I'm running out of money and out of steam.
Beaugrand tells me she's had 3 desk adjusters at FIGA so far.
They want to send in another inspector because our insurance had offered $40,000 and it's clearly over $300,000 in damages. So we are so far apart.
She's worried she's running out of time.
I'm really running out of money.
How much a month do you pay for food?
$2,500 just for food. And then I have extra costs, like the last 2-3 months I had, like every month I would say almost 1,000 vet bills.
So I reached out to FIGA to see what the holdup was. The executive director told me her case was escalated to the assigned manager to monitor and see if the investigation process could be sped up. And a new field inspection was done a couple of weeks ago, getting her animals one step closer to stables and herself one step closer to stability. Andrea Shepard, Wink News.
Now, Adriana was also told that another FIGA representative put a stop on those bad checks and resent them, so she'll have some money until her claim is resolved.